Hi, my name is Charan Teja. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech engineering in NBKR Institute of Science and Technology in Andhra Pradesh only, and I have joined here in the Jspiders Marathahalli with the course of Java Full Stack Development. And when I'm joining the Jspider, I don't know anything about the technical skills. Whatever I learn here about the Java Full Stack Development, that is I learn here only through the trainers. The trainers are very supportive, and whatever that they are teaching, they're very industrial concepts, and from basic onward, from core advanced they are teaching. And after that, the mock testing and mock interviews are very well. It is going very well. And after that, now from Jspiders, I got a placement. I got interviews 3 4 like that, and at the last third interview, I cleared that.